So I decided I'm gonna redo my seat. That's the old we have. Came off of here. Thought I captured it on video of taking it off already, but I didn't. I just took the screwdriver, went in, popped out each one of these staples. Freaking spider came out. See the juices of it right there. There you go. I don't know where it came from. I guess up under here somewhere, but we're gonna take this off. We're gonna resize it with the new material and try to put this bad boy back together. So here's my passenger seat, probably the original. Crack, 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 busted. So I see how this is a double seam here. We're probably just gonna go straight over and around. Everything else just looks like one piece. Have to take this screw out so I can get this off. I don't know if I want to do that or not. Might just wrap some around it. We'll see.